Bored with the winter chill? Looking for creative ways to brighten up your space and warm your heart this season? In today's video, we're diving into winter crafts for adults. Easy, cozy, and totally Instagram-worthy ideas that'll keep your hands busy and your soul warm. Ready to get inspired? Let's jump in. What are the best group crafts for a winter crafting night? Hosting a craft night is a fantastic way to bond with friends while staying creative. Here are 3 fun group-friendly crafts. 1. Decorated mugs with Sharpies. Let everyone design their own mugs with oil-based Sharpies. Bake them in the oven to set the designs. Perfect for gifting or enjoying hot cocoa. 2. DIY ornaments. Provide clear plastic or glass ornaments, faux snow, sequins, and paint for personalized holiday decorations. 3. Cookie decorating kits. Craft your winter wonderland on sugar cookies. Icing, sprinkles, and creativity make it a deliciously fun activity. Planning a craft night? Subscribe to my channel for more fun ideas to share with your friends. What are some budget-friendly winter crafts for adults? Crafting doesn't have to break the bank. These budget-friendly ideas will help you create without spending a fortune. 1. Upcycled sweater mittens. Repurpose old sweaters into warm mittens by cutting patterns and stitching them together. Easy, practical, and eco-friendly. 2. DIY pinecone wreaths. Collect pine cones from your yard, spray paint them, and glue them onto a circular base for a stunning winter wreath. 3. Recycled jar lanterns. Paint old jars with frosty designs and pop in some tea lights to create cozy lanterns. Want more ideas like this? Check out the playlist in the description for similar videos. What are some beginner-friendly winter crafts for adults? If you're just starting your crafting journey, don't worry. Winter is the perfect time to try something simple yet beautiful. Here are 3 beginner-friendly ideas. 1. DIY mason jar snow globes. Take a mason jar, add faux snow or glitter, mini figurines, and a bit of water with glycerin. Shake it up for a magical snow globe effect. 2. Knitted or crocheted scarves. Even if you're a newbie, YouTube tutorials make it easy to pick up knitting or crochet basics and create a cozy scarf. 3. Pressed leaf and snowflake art. Gather some winter leaves or cut paper snowflakes and press them between glass frames. Add fairy lights for a dreamy winter decor piece. Found these ideas helpful? Give this video a like and share it with your craft-loving friends. What are some advanced winter crafts for seasoned crafters? If you're ready to take on a challenge, these advanced winter crafts will put your skills to the test. 1. Wood-burning designs. Use a wood-burning tool to create intricate winter patterns on cutting boards or coasters. 2. Macrame wall hangings. Combine macrame knots with winter accents like pine cones or frosted branches for a show-stopping decor piece. 3. Stained glass snowflakes. Try your hand at creating stained glass ornaments or panels with winter motifs. It's time-consuming but so rewarding. Looking for more inspiration? Check out the description for a playlist of advanced crafting tutorials. How can I make my home feel cozier with winter crafts? Winter crafting can transform your home into a cozy wonderland. Here are 3 projects to try. 1. DIY chunky knit blankets. Use oversized yarn to create a chunky blanket that looks chic and feels incredibly warm. No needles required. Arm knitting works like magic. 2. Candles with winter scents. Make your own candles using soy wax and essential oils like cinnamon, vanilla, or pine for the ultimate winter vibe. 3. Snowflake string lights. Add a winter twist to plain string lights by attaching paper or felt snowflakes for a whimsical glow. Which of these projects will you try first? Comment below. I'd love to know. How can I involve mindfulness in winter crafting? Crafting can be a form of self-care, helping you relax and focus. These mindful winter crafts are perfect for slowing down. 1. Mandala snowflake doodles. Draw or paint intricate snowflake patterns, great for calming the mind and unleashing creativity. 2. Winter-themed journaling. Decorate a journal with winter designs and use it to reflect on your thoughts or set goals for the season. 3. Handmade scented sachets. Sew small pouches and fill them with dried lavender or pine needles. The soothing scent can enhance your mindfulness practice. Feeling inspired to craft your way to mindfulness? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more creative self-care ideas. How can I craft gifts for the holiday season? Handmade gifts add a personal touch that store-bought ones can't match. Try these 3 giftable crafts. 1. Personalized photo coasters. Print photos, Mod Podge them onto tiles, and seal them for a meaningful and practical gift. 2. Homemade bath bombs. Combine citric acid, baking soda, and essential oils to create relaxing bath bombs. Add dried flowers for an extra touch. 3. Embroidered winter towels. Simple embroidery on plain kitchen towels makes for a thoughtful and festive present. Love these gift ideas? Don't forget to check out the description for links to materials used in this video. Crafting in winter isn't just about staying busy, it's It's about finding joy, warmth, and connection during the coldest months. Whether you're making a gift, decorating your home, or simply enjoying some me time, these winter crafts for adults are sure to spark creativity. So grab your supplies, get cozy, and let your imagination run wild. Happy crafting! Love this video? Don't miss the materials list and related tutorials in the description below.